Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change YouTube channel description. With the plethora of YouTube channels, optimizing your channel's description for visibility has become vital. Writing a compelling YouTube channel description is essential to YouTube's marketing strategy. It might be time for a change if you're not getting your expected video engagements or subscriptions. A channel description concisely communicates what you or your channel is about. It briefly summarizes the kind of content you put out and gives viewers a glimpse into what to expect. An appealing and relevant description can get your videos ranking on YouTube search results. Updating the description of your YouTube channel is quite simple. First, open your YouTube account. On the top right corner, click on your profile picture. From the list of options, tap on your channel. Then, tap the pencil icon. Now, click on the pencil icon next to add a description and enter your channel description or edit the one already there. After that, click on OK. Your channel description can either make or break your success. Many YouTubers make the mistake of leaving the description blank, but more often than not, you'll find this is not a wise idea. Others consider it an afterthought and so pay little attention to it. Your YouTube channel description is a valuable marketing tool that can give you a competitive advantages. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.